On 7 through 12, the instructions say to draw a second normal curve on the same axes as the first with the new properties. And 7's done for you, but I'm going to talk through the explanation for 7. I'll do problem number 8, and then you do 9 through 12 on your own. So here, 7 says the mean is the same and the standard deviation is larger. So this was the original graph. They wanted a curve with the same mean, but a larger standard deviation. So remember, mean is where that peak falls, the middle, but the standard deviation is how spread out it is. So they drew a second curve that peaked right at the same place, but was more spread out, right? Now, 8 wants the mean being the same and the standard deviation being smaller, right? So I actually am going to let you figure what that looks like. You know what mean being the same and standard deviation more spread out looks like. You figure out what 8 looks like. I'm actually going to do problem number 9, where the standard deviation stays the same, but the mean gets smaller. So if the standard deviation is the same, we're having the same amount of spread out. So my curve should be spread out the same. It should be the same kind of shape. But the mean being smaller just means this line in the middle moves down, right? The mean itself gets smaller. So I need to draw a shape that's very similar, but it just, that mean, that middle part happens earlier. So that's my new curve. So I drew a second normal curve that had this, that fit the new properties. Same spread, it's spread out just as far, but a smaller mean. So now you do 10 through 12.